Hello, this is Billy Core from the Nostalgia Mall, and welcome to another Nostalgia Mall Quickie video. I'm mainly making this because last week I did not make a video, so I missed a week, and I kind of want to make up for you guys by doing a quick little unboxing video. Last week I was at the same thrift store in Burlington that I got the HP LaserJet 5P at, and they had 3 of these CD rewriter drives, complete in the box, made by CyberDrive, more future, well, I guess. And I went on ahead and picked up 2 of them because I'm not really needing any CDRW drives, but I have been needing some IDE optical drives badly lately. And so, since these were $5 each, I went on ahead and snatched them up. And these will be used in some upcoming projects. I'm not going to use them just yet, but the fact is they are here and ready to go when I do need them, which will hopefully be soon. So we'll just unbox one of them right now. Tell you, this does kind of bring back memories in a way, because around the year 2000, I was begging my parents to get me a CDRW drive for my computer. And the computer I was using at the time was that never obsolete E-machine. That's a story for another day. Yeah. But throughout most of that year, I was begging and pleading to get a CDRW drive for that computer. A USB one, so I wouldn't have to open the computer, because at the time we were kind of wimpy about that. But I never did. Well, eventually I did, but it took a very long time to get a CDRW drive. I wanted to make my own audio CDs, my copies of games and stuff like that, but price was a little too high, so I had to wait till Christmas of that year. And Christmas of that year, I did get a CDRW drive. I got a USB optical drive, a USB CDRW drive made by Acer, and I used that for a while. It was very, very unreliable though, because this was an early CDRW drive using USB technology. Not very good, especially with buffer underrun protection. But I didn't really use that long, because a few months later I wound up with the Gateway that I got in 2001, which had a built-in CDRW drive. So anyway, that's my early history with CD writing. So, of course, this one's a internal drive, and it's kind of a generic brand, I guess, because I've never heard of CyberDrive or ExactLink or whatever we should be calling it by. But it writes at 40 speed, rewrites at 16 speed, and reads at 48 speed. And by the way, when I use this in a computer, I'm going to use it as just a CD-ROM. I'm not going to burn CDs with it again. I mainly got this just because it's a beige IDE optical drive, and I've been needing some. But multilingual user's manual, quick installation guide, audio cable, that's the cable that goes from the drive to the sound card, and of course you get some mounting screws, and you also get recording software, a blank CDR disc, and a blank high-speed CDRW disc. There's some more stuff right there. Pretty much same thing on the back. Looks like the software it comes with is Nero 5 Burning ROM. And system requirements, it requires a 486 clocked at 33 megahertz or higher. I do not recommend at all burning a CD on a 486. Need at least 8 megs of RAM, a Win ASPI driver layer, and it's compatible with Windows 95, 98, ME, NT4, 2000, and XP. So if it mentioning XP, it's a bit newer than I expected. So let's go ahead and open her up. Don't need any scissors or anything. And these have, as far as I know, have never been used. And here's what the contents look like before I open it. We'll save that for later. And that's it. And here, let's go through the little baggie of goodies first. Tight fit. Okay, this fell on the floor. Here's the mounting screws. Nero 5 burning ROM. I don't know if it's tied to working only on this particular drive or not. Some of these copies of Nero were like that would come with CDRW drives. Here's the included CDRW disc, the CDR disc in this fancy wrapping, and the instructions in multiple languages. Not sure where the English side is. There we go. Just it explains how to adjust the jumper settings. A few diagrams there. And the drive itself. Take it out of its static bag, anti-static bag. And here we are, never been used. Looks brand spanking new. Does it have a manufacture date on it, I wonder? Yes, May 2002, so a bit newer than I was expecting. But it should still work. Has all the CD audio controls on the front, that's nice. And it's already set to master on the jumper. So, pretty much your standard IDE CDRW drive. So, this, along with the other one, will definitely get some good use. Maybe not as a CD writer, but as a CD-ROM drive. Because these, I have been needing these. I've mentioned it before, but I have stacks and stacks of SATA-based optical drives that are just sitting here doing nothing because I just have no use for them, but I don't want to get rid of them, though, because I'll probably need them someday. But I don't have any spare IDE optical drives. So it's always nice to get a few spares. This will be going in a system I'm hoping to build before the end of the year. So stay tuned to the Nostalgia Mall for that video. So until next time, this is Billy Core signing off. Thank you for visiting the Nostalgia Mall. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also support me on Patreon if you would like. The link to all of these are down below. Until next time, this is Billy Core signing off.